Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a robotic pool cleaner to make your life a whole lot easier, I'm testing out the Beatbot Sora 70. This is their newest model. Now this thing right here comes in about almost half the price of their previous models that I've reviewed on this channel. So they are trying to make a more affordable robot, but they didn't lose a lot of the benefits of it. And this is a fantastic robot, and I've been testing it out on my pool here. It's been keeping it very, very clean. Absolutely love it. The big selling point on this one for me over everything else is how big the basket is. Check this out, guys. This is the basket. It's dirty because I just pulled it out of the pool, but look, this entire thing is the basket. Usually it's just a small little strip. This whole thing is a basket, guys. This thing is awesome. You want to know more about it? Stay tuned. Now this robot is a complete solution for your pool. It cleans the bottom, it cleans the sides, it cleans the water line, and it floats and cleans off the surface. Why is that so important? Well, that's where all the leaves and all the bugs and all that stuff go to, and it will fill up your filter basket, your skimmer basket really, really quick. This will pick all that up so it doesn't get into your pool, doesn't create algae, any of that stuff. So it's nice that it does that as well. Historically, I've had to get a robot for the bottom, and then I have a skimmer robot for the top of my pool. This is a full solution. Now, this is one of those robots that works really, really good with the app. You can use it without the app. There's only two options with this if you don't have the app. One is where it does the bottom, sides, and water line. The other one is a full solution. You just move the button to the side, and it will do everything, including the surface of your pool. But if you do utilize the app, it's great because you can set custom zone. So you could just do the bottom or just do the sides or just go along the water line or just the surface. So you could set all that. You can also set timers, schedules, all that stuff within the app, which I like. And what the cool thing about it is it tells you what the battery life is while it's running in the pool, and it also will tell you when it's done. So I like to throw my pool robot in and then go in, have lunch, play with the kids, whatever I want to do on my own time, and then all of a sudden I get a pop-up on my phone that says your robot's ready to go. And what's really cool about this robot is when you go out to your pool, it floats to the top and parks itself on the side, so you don't have to fish it out with a hook or any of that. I don't even know why they send a hook with this. I guess it's if you want to pull it out before it's done. Maybe a big thunderstorm's coming in and you just want to pull it out of your pool before it's completed. I guess you could use the hook for that. But if you just wait till it is done, floats to the top, parks itself on the side, you just bend over, pick it up. It's not that heavy. Some of their older models that are a little bit more expensive than this one are heavier, a little bit more mechanics to it. Does a few extra things that this doesn't do. But this is a full solution at an affordable price. The time I filmed this video, it's $1,199. I know they run specials all the time, so I will put a link to the lowest price that I can find down in the description section. That way you get the best price for watching my video. I know there's going to be all kinds of techies out there that want to know all the specific text. Now, you could always go through all of the specs online with the link that I provide, but let me just talk a little bit about it. This thing's a real beast. It features professional grade suction at a massive 6,800 gallons per hour. That's a lot for a robot in this price range. It's powered by 8 internal motors, a dual group roller brush system. It picks up everything from that fine dirt, sand, heavy chunky stuff all in a single pass. All of that debris gets trapped inside that ultra large 6-liter filter basket. And I showed that to you in the intro. It's huge, guys. So there it is, guys, the Beatbot Sora 70. They do have 2 different colors. This is kind of a purplish color. I liked it because it was different. I've never seen one quite like this. This thing packs a punch, and the fact that they cut their prices to provide this for those that don't want that super expensive pool robot, but still have a lot of those same features, and even added a bigger basket, huge bonus for me, guys. If you want to get something like this, I will put links down in the description section of this video where you can get this. And again, I will put the lowest price, and I'll keep updating that link so you get the lowest price always on this. I'm also going to reach out to the company and see if I can maybe get a discount code for you as well. I always do that for my viewers, so I will go ahead and do that as well. Let me just do a quick walk around with this really, really fast for those that are really interested so you can see everything about this inside and out. All right, let's take a close look at this. So this is that purple color I told you about and the insignia right here, and that's that big basket that I shared with you. It's easy to open. If you look at this side right here, you've got kind of an intake here. You've got these wheels here. Nice thing about these wheels that you don't normally see on robots is it will kind of go really close to the wall, won't scratch the actual unit, which is awesome. And you'll notice these tracks right here. These are tank-like tracks, so you're going to be able to grip that wall as it climbs the wall really, really well. Now let's look at the bottom here. So the bottom, you do have, like I mentioned, those tank-like tracks, but you also have these brushes here. Now what these are going to do is basically buff out the side of your pool. So like the water line, there may be some calcium buildup. I have a little bit here, and this has been helping tremendously. Also right in here is your intake, so that's where it's going to take everything in and put it right into that filter basket. And right here you have a nice camera. And another cool thing about this is once it's done with the bottom and the size, if you set for the Pro setting, when you go ahead and launch this in the app, it'll actually open up right here. Water shoots out here and it brings the debris in and captures it also. So it cleans your surface like I mentioned. And on the back here, you'll notice here is your power. So that's where you plug in your charging. It's just a plug right in. It's not a docking station or anything like some of their older models. This just plugs in, which I find really convenient. And here's your on and off switch right here. You can also manually go from standard to Pro mode right here without using the app. So if you're in a pinch or you can't get the app to work, maybe you don't have a good signal where you're at, you could manually put that in as well. So that's kind of the walk around on this thing here. I love this thing, guys. Do me a favor, guys, comment down below and let me know if you've ever heard of this company. They were huge at the Consumer Electronics Show, and I know a lot of you guys out there have pools that are watching this video. Have you ever heard of Beatbot? Comment down below. Yes or no is all you have to say. I would appreciate that because I'm curious if this is a brand that a lot of you guys have heard about or if you want to know more about. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.